Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Tom Bucky og om ik zie er lá T Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Tom Bucky og om ik zie er lá T When the day comes, I'll be on the grind early until the day's done. No time to play some, had to say some, yes I had to say some. Killing these beats like zombies with the ray gun. Hey don, had to tell them way on. I don't give a fuck about what they done or they done. Cops pulling up beside of us with the lights on. Put the G in between your legs until the drag on. Hey don, jumping on the track like a pylon. These rappers be soft like nail on. Talking all that shit like raid on. Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Tom Bucky og om ik zie er lá T Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Tom Bucky og om ik zie er lá T See what I hear when boys from the Free State come up and say I'm from Ireland when they're still in Ireland in the 6. Still occupied by the British establishment. Baby, that was thrown out with the bathwater. Betrayal's just a claim. The class ladder with the pockets of the powerful getting fatter. Since day loose, in the name of our father. I've studied the poets of the past, read Pearson's songs, trying to understand the will of a man that gives his life for his land. Still hear these free staters saying Norn Iron. So much for Mick and the stepping stones. The 2016 bliss, leaving the 6 to be owned by the throne. Fuck a bitch and her grandkids, no handshakes where I'm from. Freedom isn't standard. 3 to 6 from a Brits, not able to feed your kids cause of poverty, but still out in the rain supporting the monarchy. What a mockery. You claim to love the empire, but you can't spell colonies. Your poppy is a fallacy, as fake as a prophecy. You colonize the world and root the histories and policies. Poppy is a fallacy, fake as a prophecy, dripping in the blood of all your atrocities. Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Chucky R lá, Chucky R lá, nah mean Tom Bucky og om ik zie er lá T